welcome to my YouTube channel. For some of you that don't know, my name's Kristen. Today's video we are going to be doing a DIY sunglass stand. So please continue watching if you want to see how I make this beautiful creation. So guys, let's get into it. So the first thing you'll be needing is a frame. I got this frame from the warehouse, but you could probably get it from like any local homeware store. I also got some beading, which I actually got from the dollar shop, Look Sharp. So I'll be using them. I got these cute little gems. I got these from Look Sharp as well. But you could probably pick these up from any craft shop or dollar store. I actually got this fabric. You can probably pick this up from a fabric store, but I was a bit sneaky. There was ages ago I brought a top. Didn't want it anymore. Pretty much never wore it, so I cut it up to use for this project. But you can basically get this material from any fabric store. Also, you'll be needing super glue. I got this from Mitre 10. Doesn't matter kind of what super glue you use. I just got the Gorilla Glue. It seems to be quite good. And you're going to need glue sticks. And some scissors for the glue gun. Right, so now that we've got all these products, let's get into it. So as you guys can see, my frame was already pulled apart. Reason why is we actually use this as a photo prop for our wedding. So first thing I'm going to do, you want to turn your hot glue gun on and make sure that it's heating up. Next thing is you're going to grab your pearls, flip it over, and pretty much like find the desired length that you want to stick it. Probably going to stick mine, probably be about there. I'm actually going to put 2 in, so I'm just going to snip it from here. I'm just going to keep a little bit extra, just in case I want a bit more hanging or tight. And then this one is here, which I shall snip with my scissors. Right, we've got leftovers, which is fine because we can probably use that for another project if anything comes in mind. So once we've figured that out, I'm probably going to go for a bit more of a tighter look, maybe just a smidgen loose. We'll be using my glue gun just over top. I'll do the exact same thing that I did to this side to the opposite side. So now that we've stuck the beading on, it should look like this. Just a wee note to make sure that your beading is up higher, like the strings higher, because you really want the sunglasses to hang but not hang over each other. So we're going to flip it back over because now we need to add the fabric. Going this way. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to glue it in sections. So we'll start from the top. Just make sure that when you're doing it that the fabric that you're wanting to show is on the right side. So let's just set it on like that. So now I'm going to try with the super glue, but I feel like it's probably going to be a bit of a fail. But let's try the super glue first, and if it all else fails, I will use my hot glue gun. So let's just brush, 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 brush. I'm going to go around and tidy up the edges and cut them. So once we've snipped, our design is going to be looking like this. I did actually have to go back through and touch up with hot glue gun where I did the super glue because it was a complete fail, so it's all good. So if you're going to do this project, I recommend a hot glue gun over super glue. Right, next thing is I'm going to be using my gems, which I love sparkly things, so I wanted to add a little bit more flair to it. I'm trying to work out how I want to have them to stand, to sit. A little bit of glue, we don't need much. I'm going to do this to all 4 corners and see if I like it, or if I want to add a little bit more. So as you can see from my design, I decided to add 3 of the gems on each corner, which I thought it made a little bit more cute. Thanks so much guys for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this little DIY. Please comment below if you want to see any future DIYs. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Until next time, my lovelies. Bye.